So I'm going to do the recipe for the cod, and I ended up getting cod loin. You can see the price of it right there. It is $7.39 or $7.99 per pound. I asked for about a pound of cod loin, and I got 2 loins out of this, and I'll unwrap it and show you. Alright, so I've got the 2 loins. There they are right there. As you can see, I'm gonna take the looks to be a little bit a larger one. Let's see what they weigh. This one is 7.9 ounces. Doing this, I just wanted to remind you of what to set the oven to. And remember, I said anywhere between, you cook most things between 350, 375. So I'm kind of splitting the difference and going 365. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is, I've got the pan right here, okay? And I'm just gonna use some olive oil spray. Go with olive oil, it's a healthy fat. Do not go with the regular Pam. Go with olive oil. Shake it up. And just spray the pan, that's where the fish is gonna go. Alright, so as you can see right here, I've got the loin now on the pan. Just gonna drizzle on a little bit of olive oil onto the top of it. Rub it nicely. 2 main spices for this recipe. First one, garlic powder, and then the second one I got for you was at Old Bay. Okay, so let's throw some. That was close. Okay, so taking the garlic powder, just real gingerly. I love garlic. Old Bay probably has garlic in it. I would be surprised if it didn't. But since I do love garlic, and I know you do too, nothing hurts a little extra garlic. Alright, so now we're going with Old Bay. And I put this on pretty liberally. Oh, I lied. I've got one more spice that I'm going to do. But I really like to coat it nice and well. There you go. It's going to go very nicely. Very key ingredient. Cayenne pepper. This does kick it up a notch. You do have some in your spice rack. Play with it as you will. As you know, I love spicy, so we're throwing on the spice. Okay, and that's it. Now we're gonna throw it into the oven. Throwing it into the oven, and if you're wondering about time, I'm gonna set it to, let's say 12 minutes. Okay, so that's been 12 minutes. Let's go pull it out and we'll see what it looks like. There we go. I don't think it's probably done yet, but it's pretty close. Yeah, a little more time. Didn't flake away as easily as I would like it to. So let's stick it back in the oven. And I'll check on it in just a couple more minutes. Alright, so while we are waiting for the fish to cook, I'm just going to cut up a little avocado here. And just taking the knife, going around it like so. Alright, so I just took the fish out. It's probably been another 4 minutes. Oh yeah, that's done. Very nice. Alright, there we go, finished product. And then just wait for that to cool down, throw that away, and there you go. Only thing again I would add is some vegetables. Bon appetit.